Hey guys, it's me, Tiwarati. We're getting ready to have a blizzard out here in New Jersey starting tomorrow afternoon. So what I'm making me right now is a grilled cheese with pork roll. I don't know if y'all used to do that when y'all was kids, but this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to put this sandwich together with some sourdough bread that I'm toasting here. I like to have a little color on my stuff. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to finish it up and I'll show you the final results. Hang in there. Okay, so I cooked my meat and grilled my bread and put another piece of cheese on here and the top. And we're going to let that melt down and I'll be right back. Okay, it looks like it's ready. You see that cheese melted down there? Whoa. Pork roll grilled cheese sandwich. I'm going to bring it over here and put it on a plate. Let me just straighten up this camera a little bit. And we're going to cut it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's going to be good. Have me a cup of tea. And baby, here we go. Have a bite. Go ahead and get you some. Enjoy. This is good. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Look at that pork. Oh, this is going to be good. Make you some. Want some sourdough bread? Pork roll. I usually sometimes for breakfast will have pork roll, egg, and cheese. But this will get it. Yeah, look at that.